close to 70, and early next week it'll be down in the 20s again. So it's time to get some of these beds ready. Now I've put a layer of mulch on top, and you can see this is really nice soil, and it's got about a 2-inch layer of fresh mulch. To that I'm going to add some organic fertilizer. Because this is going to have cauliflower, cabbage, lettuce, something in it in just a little while. Depends on how far I get with it. That gives us some fertilizer. And now, everybody's big new deal these days is no-dig gardening. Well, the older I get, the more I have fallen in love with no-dig gardening. What I've replaced no-dig gardening with is called rototiller gardening. This little Honda rototiller does one heck of a job. In February, let's see if I can get it started. It's been a while. A little bulb thing here to squeeze somewhere. Alright, see if I can get it started. Turn it on. No-till gardening. I realize there's a certain level of sarcasm built in this, but frankly, is this not the greatest no-dig garden ever? Soil's all loosened up. Down underneath there is clay, so it always takes loosening up. But in no time did a shovel see this. So, one of the things we do have terrible problems with, because we've had a lot of rain, is slugs. Boy, do I hate slugs and snails. But this sluggo stuff takes care of them pretty quick. Before I even plant, I'm going to get this stuff in here and let the slugs start feasting on this good sluggo bait. Alright, that's ready to plant. Just need to go find something to plant. It's David to grow and eat this. We got this soil here all nicely fixed and prepared and fertilized. And I brought from inside some Candied Charm cauliflower plants. They have worked well for us. And this is a terrible area to try and get cauliflower. But these guys have actually made small heads for us. So they've earned a spot back in again. So put that in. Going to get cold again next week, so I'll have to cover them, but that's alright. I got the plastic right up next to the house, ready to go. So we'll get them covered with plastic. For us, it's it'll probably only get down to mid-20s, and with a little protection, they'll do fine in that kind of temperature. Low 20s is tough. Mid-20s is survivable. If you're up north when you do cauliflower, you probably give them a lot more spacing than I do. But remember, for me, they're not a good crop. They're a quickie crop. So they don't need a whole lot of space, because it's just not going to make that big monstrous cauliflower you get up further north. We just get too hot too soon. The soil is so nice I don't even need anything to dig in it. Just put it in. What I am going to do though is put down some more slug repellent, because I know they're going to be all over these things. I happen to have a couple of Joy Choys. These are our favorite Bok Choys. 2 of them. They don't give you the huge, gigantic yellow patch. They give you a lot of green. Nice big leaves. So we're gonna go with them. Put 2 of those in. As long as I got them. And let's see what else we have here. We have here a Hilton cabbage. That has been especially good for us this year and in last fall. Just made beautiful, beautiful cabbages. Slugs, unfortunately, are in love with them, but we'll work around that with the slug bait. These will actually try to make a head. Sometimes they do. The one I probably have put a picture up for you does not have a head, but wow, so much green. Ready to eat. Right. See where my watering can is. Leaves a little water. We're going to cover this bed with our our bug screening, because that's good to help keep any caterpillars that show up early. And it gives them a little bit of frost protection. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Yeah, we got a super duper day here in February. We're like 72 degrees and I've succumbed and I'm putting some more stuff out in the garden. I may have to work hard to keep it alive next week, but hey, you know, that's gardening. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We're Zone 7, Lawrenceville, Georgia. That's halfway between Atlanta and Athens. Lots of people are Zone 7. And, you know, that doesn't look too bad. Thank you again for watching.